Welcome to this movie of paragraph 8.5, the area of a circle. The last movie was about the circumference. So if we go around the circle, how long it takes. Now it's about the area, or simply put, inside the circle, how much square meters or square centimeters or anything that is. Well, the area of a circle, you could kind of prove it or measure it, and then we get to the area of a circle is pi, the same number as with the circumference, only now times radius times radians, or shorter, a area is pi times r radius, or even shorter, pi r squared, because r times r is of course r squared. How does it work? If I want to calculate the area of a circle and the radius is 5, then the area, I need a normal pen of course, the area is pi times radius is equal to pi times 5 times 5 is equal to 25 pi. That is the exact number, and that is approximately, and then I need my calculator as well, 25 times pi is 78.539 and so on. So I would say approximately 78.5. This is it. So new formula, new rule on how to calculate an area, only now the area of a circle. So we have the area of a rectangle, the area of a triangle, and the area of a parallelogram, and now the area of a circle. Try for yourself to calculate the area of a circle with a radius of 7 exact, so the exact number, and how much that is approximately. Okay. See you around. Take care. Bye.